Hello friends, now we see the problem number 7, which is also based on limits of exponential function and logarithmic function of chapter limits. The problem number 7 is limit extends to 0 in bracket 1 minus 3x upon 5 whole bracket raised 1 upon x. Solution. First of all, L is equal to limit extends to 0 1 minus 3x upon 5 whole bracket raise 1 by x, that equal to limit extends to 0 1 minus 3x upon 5 whole bracket raise minus 5 upon 3x whole bracket raise minus 3 upon 5. Now by rule that limit extends to 0 1 minus 3x upon 5 raise minus 5 upon 3x, so that gives answer E, and then outside bracket we have power, that is called E raise minus 3 upon 5. Since limit extends to 0 1 plus x raise 1 by x, that gives answer E. So the next step will be is equal to e raised minus 3 upon 5, and this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.